girls, it's time for Saxon Phonics Lesson 77. Don't forget to study your spelling list. Spelling list 15. You can practice with someone at home, or you can work on Spelling City. I have the link attached to the lesson. Yesterday's lesson, I told you we would do the test either Friday or Monday. I have decided that we need to take our time and go slow and make sure we get everything in the lessons. So we will not do our spelling test until Monday. Okay, so we will do the spelling test when? On Monday. So your spelling test will be on Monday now. So don't get in a rush. Just study. Make sure you're studying the words well, and your test will be on Monday. All right, let's look at what you need today. So for today's lesson, you have at the beginning 77 ABC order cards. You have your phonics page today, and then you have your practice. All right, they're in order that way. All right. What I want you to do now is cut apart, take off the top page or rip it out with your ABC order cards. Pause the video, and I want you to cut these out. And then when you press play, we're going to be ready to work on ABC order. And when you do that, you'll be able to see your practice page 77 next. So we'll do this after ABC order. So cut out your ABC order cards and let's get ready to alphabetize. All right. Now we have 8 words. You need to put your cards out where you can see them. Let's look at our words. All right, before we can alphabetize, we know that our words need to have a what first? A guide letter. So let's look at them and see if all of our words have a different first letter. All right, we have J, G, G, T, G, D, F, P. Or do they all have a different first letter? No, but most of them do, right? All right, the only ones that do not, we have 3 words that begin with a G. All right, so we're going to deal with them in just a minute. So let's underline the first letter as the guide letter. And we'll use it to put them in ABC order. The problem is when we get to the letter G, we have 3 G words. So we have to know which G word will come first. All right, so let's go to the second letter and see if the second letter is different in our G
Attention
words.
homeroom teachers, please enter your attendance at this time. Please enter your homeroom attendance at this time. Thank you.
All right, so let's look at our 3 G words. I have I, R, and A. All right, are they different? Yes, they are. So I'm going to put 2 little lines to tell me when I get to the G, I need to look at that second letter to help me put those words in ABC order. I have to go to the second letter on my G words. It's saying, hey, pay attention to me. I'm important. You have to have me in order to put these words in ABC order. All right, now, let's see if we can put these in ABC order. I'm going to start. You guys are going to help me put them in ABC order. All right, do we have A guide letter A? No. B? No. C? No. D? Yes. Dressing. Or do we have E? No. F? Yes. Food. And after F is G. Now we have our 3 G words. All right, let's look at the second letter in our G words. We have I, R, or A. Which one would come first? Yes, A comes first. So G-A would go first. Now we have I and R. Guys, which comes first in the alphabet? I or R? I. Then we have G, R. All right, next we have H. Do we have an H? No. All right, I want you to finish these 3. Pause the video and finish them up. Press play when you're ready to check your work. All right, let's check your work. All right, there's no H, no I. There is a J word, jelly. All right, no K, no L, no M, no N, no O. There's a P word, pumpkin. And the last one is turkey. So here's what you should have in ABC order: dressing, food, game, gift, gravy, jelly, pumpkin, turkey. Check your work. Now, if you're having trouble, you can save those cards and practice again. All right. Put your cards in a neat stack over to the side. Name on your practice page for today. Let's go over your review cards. All right, we're going to start out naming the letters. Trigraph TCH, trigraph IGH, final stable syllable FLE, digraph SH, digraph EE, final stable syllable TLE, digraph PH, vowel Y, ghost letter digraph WR, diphthong OI, digraph AY, digraph AI, digraph CK, final stable syllable BLE, combination IR, diphthong and digraph OU, combination ER, diphthong OY, digraph EA, ghost letter digraph GN, E consonant E, final stable syllable GLE, diphthong and digraph OW, digraph CH, A consonant E, final stable syllable PLE, U consonant E, combination QU, combination OR, digraph OO, ghost letter digraph KN, O consonant E, add these to a root word to change its meaning. Suffix ist, suffix ish, suffix en, suffix est, suffix ly, suffix y, suffix let. Sight word cards. All right, guys, I left the big stack here today. Let's review them all. Animal, America, early, earth, finally, government, heard, learn, several, usually, pull, was, against, says, many, young, have, guess, gone, today, there, a place, bush, again, none, enough, by, love, very, together, what, should, don't, ate, who, ocean, any, question, something, answer, every, people, there. It belongs to them, of, do, were, your, been, trouble, won't, tomorrow, only, they, friend, into, for, some, goes, does, where, come, would, from, full, won't, could, are, done. All right, let's go over some of our sound spelling cards. Patch, trigraph TCH, ch. Hay, digraph AY, A. Rain, digraph AI, A. Gnat, ghost letter digraph GN, phone, digraph PH, and this is another one I feel like we need to go over after our phonics test on Friday. Candy, vowel Y, E. At the end of a two-syllable word, if we hear E, it can be vowel Y. Then we have cry, vowel Y, I. We hear the I sound, long I sound, at the end of a one-syllable word. It is vowel Y. Okay. Now let's get busy. Number one on your paper, number one. have digraph O. Number 2, R. Yes, R. Write it. You should have combination AR. Falsy R. Number 3, shh. Yes, shh. Write it. You should have digraph SH. Number 4, O. Yes, O. 2 regular spellings in the beginning, 1 way in the final. All right. O, consonant E, and O with a macron can make the long O sound. In the final position, digraph OW like snow and bow. Number 5, J. Yes, J. 2 ways from our last lesson. You should have J, comma, G, soft G. J, comma, G can say J. Number 6, E. Yes, E. 2 ways in the initial position, 2 ways in the final. Okay, you should have digraph E with the macron, final, digraph vowel Y. This is the reason why. In the initial position, if it is 1 syllable, it is digraph EE. If the word is 2 syllable, E with a macron. In the final position, if it is 1 syllable, digraph EE. If it is 2 syllable, vowel Y, like in candy. Okay? Number 7. Spelling pattern we've learned recently. Oi. Yes, oi. Write it. You should have O-I, final O-Y. O-I, final O-Y. Number 8. It's a digraph. Yes. Write it. You You should have digraph TH. It's the voiced sound. Number 9. Ch. Yes, ch. Write it. You should have digraph CH. Number 10. We're going to spell some review words. Think about the skills we've learned. Number 10, toy. Toy. I will play with my favorite toy. Tell me the sounds you hear in toy. Get ready. T-oy. Spell toy on number 10. Alright guys, let's spell it. T-O-Y, toy. We hear oi at the end, so it's O-Y in the final position, toy. Number 11, crow. Crow. I see a black crow outside. Crow. Tell me the sounds you hear. Get ready. O. Spell crow on number 11. Alright, let's spell it. C-R-O-W, crow. Remember, we have a consonant followed by the k sound, so it's C. The rule is to spell with K after E, I, or Y. So it's C-R, the O, final O-W when you hear long O, crow. It can be O sneaky E, but not in this case. All right, number 12. Shout. Shout. Please don't shout inside the house. Shout. Tell me the sound you hear in shout. Get ready. Shh. Out. Shout. Spell it on number 12. Now let's spell it. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. All right, now on to some sight words or funny words. Number 13. Let's spell earth. Earth. We learned about changes to the earth. Earth. Spell it with me. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. It has the sound, but it has E-A-R in it. Earth. That makes it a funny word. Number 14. 14, finally. It is finally time for phonics. Finally. Number 14, try to spell finally on the line. Alright, finally. 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 Alright, check your work. That's a tricky word. Finally. It is finally that time. Finally. Number 15. 15 is even bigger, and it's something we've already learned about this year. 15 is government. Government. We learned about the leaders in our government. Try to spell government on number 15. Remember, it's a funny word. Let's look at this word. Look at how big government. All right, spell it with me. Government. 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 All right, check your work. Spell it correctly if you don't have it spelled correctly. That one's a tricky one. That's one we'll have to practice a little bit before we get. Okay, now for our sentence today. All right, think about everything you need for your sentence to be correct. Capital letters, spacing, end marks. All right, think carefully as you're writing. Stretch out your words. Think about your spelling patterns. All right, listen. The red rose will bloom soon. Listen again. The red rose will bloom soon. Say it with me. The red rose will bloom soon. Your turn. Say it. Yes, the red rose will bloom soon. Write that sentence on your paper. let's check your work. Every sentence begins with a capital letter, so we have a capital T. It is a telling sentence, so it ends with a period. All right, rose, O, consonant E. Bloom and soon have digraph O sounds in them, so they are O. Check your work. Now, echo these words and listen for a sound they all have in common. Badge, fudge, lodge. What sound do you hear in all of these words? Yes, J. All right, let's look at these words. Badge, fudge, lodge. What is making the J sound in these?